How to find and cancel sent friend request on Facebook. Now, the very first thing you're going to do if you want to find and cancel the friend request that you have sent on other people on Facebook is to go to your main menu right here and then scroll down until you find Find Friends. You just have to click on that. And once you're here, you will be able to see every friend request that you have gotten on your account. So all you have to do is to tap on See All right here, and you'll be able to see every person that have sent you a friend request. Now, in order for you to cancel or find the sent friend request that you have sent specifically on other people on Facebook, is to tap on these three dots on the upper corner right here and click on View Sent Request. Now, you will be able to see every friend request that you have sent on other people. In order for you to cancel them, all you have to do is to tap on Cancel right here, and the request that you have made has been canceled. So that's how to find and cancel sent friend requests on Facebook. Hope we help.